Lucy buys a shirt for $23. She gives the store clerk a $50 bill. How much money should Lucy get back? This is a subtraction problem. We need to find the difference between $50 and $23. How much is left after taking away $23 from $50? We're going to set it up vertically, 50 on top and 23 below it. We work column by column, starting with the ones on the right. Ones column first, 0 minus 3. And we have a problem. 0 is smaller than 3. We cannot subtract 3 from 0 and get a positive answer. So we need to regroup. We're going to borrow from the tens column. We take 1 from the 5 in the tens column. The 5 becomes a 4. That 1 we borrowed represents 10. So the 0 in the ones column becomes 10. Now we subtract. 10 minus 3 is 7. Write 7 in the ones place of the answer. 7 goes in the ones column. On to the tens column. We are using the updated digit 4, not 5, because we borrowed 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. Write 2 in the tens place. Our answer is 27. So $50 minus $23 equals $27. Lucy should get $27 back. Looking at the answer choices, D is correct. $27 is how much money Lucy gets back. The process is always the same. If the top digit in the ones column is smaller than the bottom digit, you cannot subtract directly. Borrow 1 from the tens column, reduce that digit by 1, and add 10 to the ones column, then subtract normally. And that is how you subtract with regrouping. Subscribe for more GED math lessons every week, and I'll see you in the next one.